reviews on removing the resonator from your Elantra Sport. Is it worth the money? I would say yes. Is there a big difference in sound? I would say not really. Overall, first, second, and third gear, you can tell a little bit different tone. As far as fourth, fifth, and sixth, it doesn't sound any different than stock. The cold startup on the car is maybe a little bit louder, but overall you're not going to see a huge change in the sound of the car. I would maybe try to go with a muffler first, and then if you're still wanting louder, try a resonator out, removing it, and see if that makes a difference. Right now I have a stock muffler, and my plans are to replace that muffler with something like maybe a Flowmaster. I haven't really decided on that quite yet, but stay tuned for that exhaust change, and I'll also kind of do a review on that. And another thing I want to point out is that there is no drone removing the resonator. I know on my past vehicles that I've owned, they said removing the resonator from the vehicle will cause drone issues like on the freeway. With this vehicle, it hasn't changed anything about it. So that's my review. I just wanted to go over that with you. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but it cost me about $45 to remove the resonator. Peace.